What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Can y'all hear me? Mic check, mic check. I didn't even know I was live right yet. Well, hold on, guys. Let me change my let me actually monetize this real quick. So 1 second, everybody. Appreciate everybody for coming in. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. We're gonna talk again today. I told you guys I was gonna go live again. Crazy day in crypto each and every day, right? And I think we gotta stay focused. Today is Thirsty Thursday, the first day of the second half of the working week, which usually sets the tone for the rest of your week. So, just keep that in mind. Let's give this thing a thumbnail and change it. It's crypto. It's this time different. Actually, let's make it a little bit more viral. What we have in altcoin season. Everybody's talking about altcoin season, so we'll just keep it. We'll keep it viral, right? All right, let's give this thing a thumbnail. All right, download here. Pick arts. What the fuck? Come on, I need what's the name of that? Need a thumbnail. Can somebody give me a thumbnail? God damn, bruh. Can your boy get a thumbnail? Pick arts. Where it picks? Oh, there we go. One second, guys. I'm almost done. I accidentally hit live 10 minutes before I was actually working to go live because I was testing something out. So it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, we got this saved here. All right, we should be live. 9 people in here. Just waiting for a few more people to get in here. We'll just shoot the shit until 8 o'clock. I planned on really going live at 8 o'clock, guys. So, you know what I mean? We're here. We're here. How you guys shaking today? Getting to some of these comments. AOKG. What up, AOKG? I don't know why my computer's moving kind of slow today. AOKG in the house was good. Why y'all got that TV so loud back there, y'all? Why you got that TV so loud back there? Ready to get in the gym after this live stream, guys. Been going hard. I've been doing anime. I've been doing anime, what's it called? Anime workouts. Nah, I went live 10 minutes early by accident. What is my price prediction for Jasmine? Anywhere from 10 cent and higher, guys. You know what I mean? Please ignore the thumbnails, right? And again, I don't like to even do price prediction. I don't have a price prediction, right? I have market cap predictions, right? Market cap prediction, Jasmine, 10 billion and higher, right? I think at some point we need to adjust our expectations, and that way, even if these cryptocurrencies go above our expectations, guess what? We still win, right? So, the thing about it is, when you set goals, they always tell you to set goals really, really high. That way, if you fall short, you still win. But you also want to be realistic so you don't discourage yourself. And I'm seeing a lot of people in crypto discouraged, right? And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about a lot in cryptocurrency. We're going to be talking about the average household. Guys, I really need you to go to the community tab here and vote. We really need you to vote here, guys. Go vote. So I just made this poll here, and I'm using these polls as an opportunity to check the sentiment. So actually, let's refresh this page here, and we got 19 votes. And surprisingly, 42% of people are putting 1K to 10K into crypto monthly. Now, either these people, just based off the averages, um, of just from a, again, crypto is a global asset, right? It's worldwide, right? But just based off the US numbers, this either people, some of you motherfuckers lying, y'all lying. I know y'all be lying because again, a lot of platforms that went quiet, Discord, this, that, Telegram, all that, a lot of shit across the board that went quiet. And usually when things go quiet, people selling, people doing other things, right? Unless they just holding their bags. But I don't know. I think this 1K to 10K a month, interesting. We got 32% people saying they put 100 to 500 bucks a month in crypto. You got 11% of people say they put 0 to 100 bucks a month in crypto. And then you got 16% of people saying they put no money into crypto monthly. So this is very, very interesting. I'm actually you know, a, a little bit surprised that 16% of people said no. Now, you're probably asking me why I am doing these polls is because I'm trying to garner the interest if we would truly have an altcoin season, right? Just based off some of the numbers that I do have here in research, right? And this is why I don't know if that I don't know, if y'all just, y'all ain't being honest or what's going on, but the average American here earns about 59,000 a year, but the 35 to 44 range. Now, this is based off 2023 numbers. So I'm just trying to figure out how much money people actually put a month in crypto, right? Because this can decipher if we can truly have an altcoin season, right? So it says, but the 35 to 44 age group, peak earners at 67,000, has the best shot at bringing retail money back to crypto. So, contrary to many beliefs who believe that crypto is like run by a whole bunch of degens, the people that actually buy the most crypto are from the age of 35 to 44. It's kind of like that sweet spot where you understand what you want in life, you got consistency as far as income, and you got a little bit of money to actually put into cryptocurrency. With salaries up 4.4% in 2023 and inflation at 3.6. So you can see these numbers are based off 2023. What I did was I kind of adjusted these numbers based on the aggregating of what could come for crypto, right? And we got this here. So actually, let me refresh this page here, show you guys what I actually got after we did crunch some numbers and kind of like aggregated this to make it make sense in today's time. So it says if 35-year-olds clear 6,000 a month, this is monthly, just from the US, right? So I don't know how much you make a month, but this is just the average of from the age of 35 to 44. So if 35 to 44-year-olds clear 6,000 monthly expenses with household income and allocate 2% of their 157 monthly surplus, with 44 million in this age group, 25% on adoption yields 418 million yearly into crypto. 50%, 22 million hits 836 million. This is lower than the prior estimates due to tighter 2024 margins. So we can't deny that QT quantitative tightness has kind of like chipped off at people's income. So this is why I was talking about this inside the J5 Council. How, yeah, you know what I mean? There's always going to be a casino, but in crypto, how many people will come to the casino, get burnt, and actually stay in the casino? I know personally, just on personal experience, just if you talk to just random people in Vegas, they're more likely to stay in the casino and gamble if they feel like they have an opportunity of winning or hitting. So if people already come with that mentality that they can't win and that the system is rigged against them, we have to argue how much money will truly come into crypto just based off retail. This is lower than the prior estimate due to tighter 2024 margins, but crypto's market cap around 1 trillion can still surge with small inflows. The 35 to 44 group remains prime. They out earn the youngins, right, 16 to 24, and the older cohorts per Q 2024 BLS data, and have the tech comfort to buy in, which I explained earlier of, you know, naturally around that age, you're just naturally more mature. You're naturally more financially stable. So you naturally have a little bit more money to put into cryptocurrency, which goes back to the question that I pose everybody inside the group here. How much on an average monthly do you invest into cryptocurrency? You know what I mean? And I know you guys were probably wondering why I'm asking these questions, but don't worry about it. We'll get to that. All right, so back to what we said. If Bitcoin rallies past 100K in 2025, a plausible catalyst, adoption could climb, potentially doubling these figures to 1 to 2 billion from this group alone, driving 5 to 10% of a 10 to 20 billion retail wave, guys. So despite the negativity and toxicity that we are seeing out here based on how the economy is, you know, currently set up, there's still a large amount of retail that can come into cryptocurrency. And I'm saying that to say this: if you just go outside, touch grass, and ask random people in crypto, you might get those stories where it's people that know about it. And I heard somebody say yesterday, like the grandmother was buying crypto, but it, you know, if you just go into you know, you can go anywhere, right? Go into an old people's restaurant, right? Go into Cracker Barrel or some shit like that, or go into a place where a lot of young people or boom or you know DJs hang, and just ask people around, hey man, are you into crypto? What do you think about crypto? Just ask people, and you'll be surprised the responses that you actually get. And guys, I just thought that this was interesting information because I brought the charts to you guys yesterday. If you watched the video, I know the views are down, and we still have a shot at some hopium here just based off the total three on the monthly, utilizing our super RSI, our ultimate RSI Lux algo here, which is absolutely free. So if you have your trading view, you can set this up, add the ultimate RSI. In my opinion, it's one of the best indicators in this space right now. So you probably see this drawing at the bottom of the screen here that I did because, in my opinion, this is a potential forecast of what's to come. So let me move these things out of the way. And you can see on the monthly, we are still above the RSI here. So technically, we are bullish. Technically, we're still bullish. I'm not going to say that we're just like bullish, moon boy, we're going to the moon. But if we continue to hold this trend line here on the ultimate RSI, we are still bullish, and we haven't capitulated towards this timeline just yet, which last altcoin season was about 699 days. We're currently 450 days in, which is 15 bars. So if we can keep this uptrend above our orange line on the ultimate RSI, technically, and this is the monthly chart, until we actually give, put in a bearish cross, technically we're still bullish. So at the end of the day, regardless of people say, just based on this chart, and I know a lot of people ask me about the 2017 market, but you can clearly see here we don't have enough information on the total three to actually give you, to actually analyze this from the 2017 to back test it, right? So we're just forced to use 2020 based on this. And, like I said, it can look something like this on the monthly. We dip down a little bit. This could be proved to be a fake out, and we kind of stay above the orange line, which we need to do right now. The bear case here, and I talked about this also on the stream. So actually, I could just stay right here on this chart. That way, we don't gotta pretty much go anywhere. If we just go to ETH, right? And this is not accounting the stock market, because you can say some bearish shit about the stock market as well, and people would say, well, the stock market is runs parallel with the crypto market, right? One follows the other. Some people say crypto follows stocks follow crypto. Whatever you feel. The messed up shit about this, right, is if we go to the Ethereum chart on the monthly, we just printed a bearish cross on the ultimate RSI. So this is why bears are saying this could be the beginning of the bear market. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is why. This right here, right? And of course, we can get back above the orange line, and there's no confirmation unless next week we print a confirmation candle under this 25-day EMA. But technically, every altcoin season needs Ethereum to print an all-time high, and we just haven't had that. Ethereum has been a very, very bad performer for such a big token that's supposed to have this lore behind it, and be this ecosystem that ultimately is engineered like a planet, right? It's a planet, right? Ethereum is an ecosystem, and there's a whole bunch of, like, states and countries within this ecosystem which serves as those projects, right? And this planet is just dying off, right? Like, the trees are dying off. It didn't turn into a flat Earth. It's all bad, right? Um, hopefully, hopefully Ethereum is now, that would spell trouble. If this turns out to be a bear market for ETH, that would spell trouble for all ERC20 tokens. It doesn't matter which ones they are, right? How are they going to be able to be successful if their native peer, which is Ethereum, can't perform? So just keep that in mind. Yes, there was bullish hopium here on the total three, but the ETH chart has crossed bearish on that monthly chart. And again, I'm just going off what the market is telling me based on the ultimate RSI here. And every time we lose this, very, very rarely is it a fake out. When we lose that orange line, normally we go into this, you get the picture, right? He who shall not be named. You can't say bear market. You gotta say he who you gotta say he who will not be named, right? On some Harry Potter's type shit. You know what I'm saying? Because you say bear market, like, people get the wrong idea here. So let's just go back into the charts and check out the total cryptocurrency market. This is everything. This is everything of everything here. And let's just check this out. And we still are above that orange line. And guys, like, I didn't make up this chart, right? This ultimate RSI is a plethora of multiple RSIs all in one. And we know that Lux Algo is a very, very, very efficient machine when it comes to trading view and trading in general. We haven't lost our orange line here on the ultimate RSI on the monthly. So right now, if we just pay attention to the monthly charts, yes, we are getting a little bit of short-term downtrend, but the ultimate trend continues. So there is some hopium here. There's no confirmation that there's a bear market. There's just signs that we could be headed into turmoil, right? So a lot of people are trying to front run that because they don't want to get caught holding their bags, right? Which goes back into the average household and the average living, right? Let's actually refresh this page because I know you guys went to go vote. If you are new to the stream, my name is Crypto Millie, and every day I talk about crypto. And let's just share this tab instead. Right now we're at 30 votes. So guys, go to my community tab and vote. And I'm seeing 43% of you guys put 1K to 10K a month in crypto. How much you put into crypto monthly? Y'all some real, like, I hope if people are putting 1 to 10K monthly, I just hope we have an altcoin season. I really, really, really hope. I really, really hope, if that's what people is doing, if they clipping off every month 1K, 10K, I truly hope that we have a bull market. I truly hope we have a bull market, right? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right, so let's go into some of these comments here and kind of like hang with the fam. Let this be the bottom, please. Ooh. I do put about 800 a month. Okay, so we got one Degen here. KG says he allocates about 800 a month into crypto, over 2K a month for me personally. This is my last year loading up. I want to bust down green face Rolly by the end of the year. And well, if you're putting 1K to 10K, at some point you should be able to see gains if you are buying the right tokens, right? So I'm not saying that's a bad strategy. I'm just saying if people are doing that, right, I just hope that we do have this phase, right? You know what I mean? Because ideally, in my opinion, right, at some point it's like you can invest into crypto like the stock market, right? If you're buying blue chips, right? So if you're putting 1K to 10K a month into crypto, the smart investor would be buying things that are not volatile, right? Things that you can just buy and hold over time, right? The H bars, the XRPs, the Jasmines, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, these projects that will continue to have lifelines beyond just this specific cycle. But if you're putting 1K to 10K a month into crypto and things that's more volatile, like low caps, degens, then you got to understand that a lot of that shit could go to zero. So, guys, regardless of what you're putting into crypto each month, I just ask you guys, just practice good risk management. We got 25 people in here. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm putting in over 100K. I'm trying to retire this off season. Yeah, well, if you put in 100K and you're banking for Q4 to be bullish, you should be put in a good position to at least make what you need to average to retire. I think to retire in America right now, you need 2.5 million in liquid, which means you need not just 2.5 million in with assets. I'm talking about actual liquid to not have to work and just live comfortably. That's what they say. I grinded all 2023. I'm still here. Whatever I get in the bull run, I'm just gonna accept it. I try hard to buy as much blue chips and alts to make a multi-millionaire. So now I'm gonna wait for the results. I think you're one step, one step there, AOKG. And I appreciate you for bringing that honesty on the stream. I don't buy anything over 100 million market cap. High risk, high reward. Going to Grand Slam. Well, if you got 100K in the crypto and you don't even buy projects over $100 million market cap, I truly hope Dino Dragon that we have an altcoin season. Now, let me find out some of y'all on some cap shit. Let me find out some of y'all on some cap, bro. Because why we selling off? Why we selling off if y'all buying? Y'all buying? Why we selling off? Nah, it's a lot of manipulation going on, right? And I'm also seeing just people, you know what I mean? I want to make it clear. It's important, guys, that we do spread positivity inside this type of market. So this was a great post here, right? It says, if you got liquidated, portfolio nuked 90% recently, it's a good opportunity to realize that crypto shouldn't be your main source of income. This is a really good opportunity to get a job, start grinding. I had 3 jobs to stack coins full time during the last bear. Look forward to the journey. It will be rewarding if you stick around. So some people are already preparing it. I've told you guys, I actually talked about this in the J5 Council because I had, big hopes and big dreams, right? I had a few franchises lined up that I want to invest in and really create these businesses outside of crypto because I didn't want my entire life to be based on crypto. And one thing that I figured out and just this cycle from a personal standpoint is that, you know what I mean, you don't want to unless it was all fun and games when the trenches was profitable and everything was pumping, right? But if that shit ain't happening, if we're in a bear, I can't imagine myself just trying to depend on crypto revenue. So even myself, just learning new skills, putting yourself in a position to I call it being the most dangerous person in the room. But I'm all about, you can tell by my shirt, I'm a big anime fan, but I'm all about learning new skills and trying to level up as much as possible in life, whether that be your brain, your genius, your skill set, your health, your wealth, your relationships, your ability to network, even crypto. You want to make sure you're like a sponge, right? So that you can consistently take in information and grow and learn, right? I would have never found out about that indicator if I didn't consistently seek knowledge and go out there to learn. So if you get anything from this stream, just always seek knowledge, especially if you're inside the crypto world, because this is a world. This is like a matrix. It's kind of like every day I come and do this, I'm plugging up that shit in the back of my neck and I'm entering the matrix. Just my opinion, right? Let's get into some more of these comments. We got 30 people in here, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm getting back into the live streams. I'm getting back into them. Like and subscribe. Harry Potter with the man, I miss chopping it up with you, bro. Hilarious. Hey man, we can still chop it up. I got 5 on it. Hey, let me hold something, bro. I'm full-time Web3. If you full-time Web3, you probably the same way. Let me hold something, dog. Let's see here. I hope we have a bull run too. I'm taking all profits and then I'm going to smoke shop to grab 5. Hey man, maybe we can have a little bit of fun together in AOKG. What do you think about spell token? I have no thoughts about spell token. I honestly, when I'm going throughout my day and then I got 24 hours in a day. If you ask me, do I ever think about Spell token? I would tell you it never crosses my mind. So that's just a crypto that I don't often think about. I'm just be honest with you guys. CBD, dog go to the moon. Grilling me, you know I'm not cap. You know me, I'm very open. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm kind of mad that I'm suspended off X, right? And just hoping to get more views and on the stream and stuff like this. So, guys, continue to comment, like, and subscribe, share the stream. I know I'm not on X. If I was on X, I could share this, but unfortunately, I'm suspended. I have high conviction in my picks, unknown projects with good partnerships and actually real income. Well, as long as they're utility picks, right? I was going to be concerned if you had 100K in all low cap shit or meme coins, but it's if you know there's some really good utility plays on sale right now. Um, and I think even myself, I'm waiting for certain indicators to give me bullish confirmation, but I am also leaning towards being a buyer on this dip. Right, the more I look at those monthly charts and RSI, more it leads me to believe that we still have some gas left in the tank. I'm loading up in this bear market on a reflection tokens. I'm not losing 4 to 5 years from here for just 300 to 1500 a piece. Yeah, that's good. I've been seeing a new meta actually on Solana called the print meta or the Ponzi meta, where you know you buy a reflection token and you earn. And if you've been in crypto and you've been in crypto for like years, you already know that meta been around, right? Especially like it happened first on BNB. You can go on you can go on and one of the platforms and like create a reflection token for your community where they buy the token and if over time they can earn another token, right? And that's what we call a reflection token. So a great way to actually make passive income in crypto. And that's another thing I've been doing a lot of research. You guys know I hold proof token. I stake proof token. That's actually the only token I stake, and I'm earning Ethereum through the fees of the tokens launched on their platform. But I've also been looking into creating arbitrage bots and really getting into liquidity pools to earn a passive income. So I would also recommend you guys, like I said, to learn DeFi, learn these opportunities in crypto where you can farm, you can make money even if we are bearish. One of the skills that I want to add to my personal arsenal is shorting, right? I think shorting is never talked about when you're bullish or you got a Moon Boy channel, because I got a Moon Boy channel, right? If I say who shall not be named, people going to say, Millie, you tripping, Millie, you going through it, bro. You know what I mean? You stressed out, and I get it. You know what I mean? People are normally used to me being bullish, but at the end of the day, if I'm seeing signs of weaknesses in the market, what type of fucking influencer am I if I'm not gonna can't come up here and be real with y'all? If I can't come up here and tell y'all some real shit, you know what I mean? You should question anybody that's just 100%, 10% bullish all the time, because that's what I'm seeing on crypto Twitter. I'm seeing the same people post the same stuff, and I'm like, yeah, you can post that. You're already a so hey, you got 10 million, you lose 1 to 2 million in crypto, you still have 8 million. What about the average person that's only making 70,000 a year, 60, 50,000 a year? I think I'm catered to those people. I feel for those people because I truly just want success from people that's getting into crypto. I honestly want crypto to show people that there are networks, developers, builders, influencers, KOLs, clients, consumers that do have integrity, that do move in an ethical fashion. But we're just not there yet. This boy asks about spell token again, bruh. All right, let's see. What's up, Harp? Are do you still got that what we would call Super Bowl hangover? I'm loading up in this bear market on reflection tokens. Okay, we already covered that. I don't go to the meme casino. Good way to get rents. Utility run is the way. Yeah, I agree 110%, man. There's money to be made on the trenches. Don't get me wrong, right? You can go in the trenches and make a little money, but it's easy to lose money. And it's easy right now to lose money because actually like 0.000% of tokens at this point are reaching bonding on Pump.Fund. Pump.Fund actually fell out of the top 10 revenue in projects. It's actually capitulating before our eyes because unlike most casinos, it's kind of like the casino, well, like most casinos, allegedly, most of these casinos are rigged against you, and like Pump Fund is really rigged against the average normie. Millie, what's happening with YeFi? I don't cover that one. I mean, I don't know. I don't cover that. I never talked about that, guys. Did I ever talk? I never talked about that token. Salute, RIP, Akiri Toki Toriyama. Yeah, man. Is it different this time, right? Is it different? this time. So I do have another interesting chart that I want to show you guys here. Let's bring up the screen. And this chart right here is showing, actually, where is it? Let me see if I can actually find my charts. It was on Coin Market Cap. Yeah, it was right here. All right, so this chart right here is actually showing the fear and greed index, right? And ideally, guys, yesterday we were in at a 10 on a fear and greed index. So yes, I wouldn't have bought the dip at a 40, but anywhere we get 10 to 20 and BTC, right? Right? Because when we get in that fear index, we got like a 10 to 20, and Bitcoin is hovering around almost 90K, right? Around 80, 85, 90K, right? That's actually bullish because you would expect the fear and greed index, if it's sitting around 10 or 20, for crypto to be like falling off the map. So it's actually bullish that we're sitting here at such a low fear and greed index. So you asked me to, if I would, buy the dip a week ago, or when people were saying it 2 to 3 days ago. But now, fear and greed index 10 and 20, while the monthly charts are showing that technically, technically, we are still bullish in the bullish trend. Yes, this is a good time to buy the dip. Yes, now we're talking about this is a good time to buy the dip because the fear and greed index is 10 to 20. So this is the ultimate opportunity to bring down your averages. If you're on the sidelines, this is the ultimate opportunity to start building a portfolio, right? And I say it, if you got $1,000, you put 250, 250, 250 in a coin, you gradually DCA. Or if you got 10,000, you do it the same way. 12, 12, 12, 12, right? 1,200, 12. And so, just just keep that. Well, just keep that in mind, right? 2,500, should I say? Just keep that in mind, though. That the fear and greed index has capitulated, and it's almost in bear market lows, while Bitcoin is sitting around 80 to 90K. That's really, really bullish. And the fact that altcoins are still holding up in the midst of the fear and greed index being so low, that's also really, really bullish. This is telling you that most of the this sell off was based off manipulation and market makers. This wasn't a retail sell off. The only retail that's selling off are the ones that are even over their heads, right? And I was reading a book yesterday, right? And the book was about investing. And it was like this, and I want to, I was reading, should I say, I was reading something out of a book, right? And they were talking about investing, right? Because I don't even know specifically what book it was, but they were talking about investment, and they were saying, we always talk about feeling under allocated, but we never talk about feeling over allocated. And it was saying that if you are investing and you're going to sleep and you can't sleep, that is a sign that you are over invested, right? And the book actually said, sell as much coins as you need, or as much stocks, or sell as much investments as you need to be able to sleep comfortable. So let the word to the wise be efficient. We always talk about being under allocated, but we never talk about being over allocated to where it causes stress, everyday stress. So again, this was out of very, 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 like, this is some Warren Buffett shit, right? Warren Buffett type line, right? And it was a very, very successful trader and investor that said this. And they said, like, sell your coins until you feel comfortable going to sleep. So if you have a portfolio that's keeping you up and you cannot sleep, that is, it may be a hint that you may be a bit over invested. So guys, let the word to the wise be efficient, but always practice risk management. Town hall meeting in the Cord. Y'all guys can meet, man. You know what I mean? Or do whatever. Yearn finance. Nah, I don't cover that one. You know too much not to share some knowledge with the kid. You've been coding, bro. How do you know that? Can you see the tabs on my screen? um, I don't want to show you guys what I've been working on. I've created I have been coding. I've created like 3 apps. They suck. They're absolutely dog water, but I feel like I'm getting somewhere. right? And I feel good that I'm learning a new. Yes, I am learning a new skill, and I'm learning a little bit about JS, which is JavaScript, and Python and things like that. And it feels good because eventually, if I continue to learn at this rate, maybe I can create something my own, and not actually have to pay a developer for it. So that's basically how I'm thinking. Hangover copy just got. Why did y'all tear up Philly like that, bro? Why y'all? Why did y'all tear up Philly like that? Y'all are crazy. Clapcat meme, but utility with Clap Go game, Pokemon Go style game for crypto. Over 1 million prizes to hunt down. Love it, love it, love it, man. Not sure who those guys are, but I'm not shilling anything. If you do want to shill, send a super chat, man. Now that's where I'm at with it, guys. I look, I do this full time. You want me to shill your token, so I'm skipping shills unless that super chat come in. I'm just being honest with you. I gotta buy crypto too, right? Y'all ain't sending me no crypto, right? Y'all ain't sending no deals right now. Hey, Billy, what's up with your? I don't follow your Crypto Marshall, what's up? Welcome at 3 a.m. I got bags under my eyes. I posted in the cord. Yeah, well, yeah, that's a sign that hey, you may be a little bit over invested. Check out ADS advertising layer 2 working with Coca-Cola. Come on, guys. Y'all want to shill. Y'all know what time it is. Crypto Millie, bro, we are connected. There's nothing you can do without me knowing. I can't sleep anyway, so it don't matter. Oh man, unfortunately, you are my spirit animals. Well, guys, you know what I mean? It's a lot that you don't know about me, man. That's how I kind of like to keep it right. I don't want to get too emotionally, and put out too much on just YouTube. It's not just crypto and just YouTube, right? But it's just like just a place where it's really really hard to trust people right now, and yeah, I rock with you, AOKG. I rock with you, bro. All right, let's move on. Let's see what else I got on here to show you guys. I just showed you guys that. We gotta focus on some bullish tabs here, right? Because it's a lot of toxicity going on um, you know, crypto Twitter and crypto YouTube. But at the end of the day, the altcoin stablecoin market cap is continuing to grow. So many would argue, there's an argument, right? People say, well, is that actually new retail money or is it the mafia printing tether? You be the judge on that. But again, at the end of the day, it is bullish when the stablecoin market cap continues to rise. I had a chart here showing you guys that every time the stablecoin market cap capitulated on the what's this? This is USDT dominance here. It's actually go to USDT itself. So I can actually show you guys what I'm talking about here, the USDT market cap. All right, we'll share this tab. So ignore the RSI because you can't really use the RSI on the Tether market cap. But normally, as long as we can stay across this orange line, from what I did do the research, we're still bullish, right? If we get near the orange line, we touch the orange line, usually there's a sell-off, right? So technically, right, these patterns, when you got a pattern like this that has a flag pattern breaking to the upside, that's normally 60% of the time bearish, right? Usually these patterns that break to the upside usually break down, right? You want your flag pattern to break to the downside and push up, right? So it's going to be interesting to see if the market cap of Tether kind of like tops out here, like we seen here. And this is when we went into like a bearish zone, right? You can see we went into a really, really bearish zone, guys, once we broke that moving average on the Tether market cap. So I'm tracking all of this shit. I'm tracking all of this, right? I can show you charts that, you know what I mean? We can go into and talk about altcoin season all day, right? Because you know what I mean? If we get that job data that hot tomorrow, right? Meaning more people are getting unemployed. I know Trump and Elon, they going crazy right now in the White House, bro. Like they going crazy, bro. Look, I was talking to, look, chat. I'm gonna tell you guys after this, but you can see here the home builders market, the XHB, has lost the orange line on the ultimate RSI. So technically, this is bearish. If you couple this with bad job data, we could be looking at a potential head and shoulders pattern with the home builders market. And there's already people talking about that the home builders market trash. I seen a post yesterday when somebody said buying a house right now is like buying Solana at 290, right? You know what I mean? Just wait for it to fall off. So there are many people that are betting that the home builders, home builders market fall off, the real estate market falls off with the job market unemployment rising. Those are two hints that the economy is showing a sign of weakness. Not that we're potentially in a recession, but just that we are showing signs of weaknesses. So there will be signs. All right, it's my job to post the, and when we were, think about it, guys, when we were like at Bitcoin 15K, right? When we were at BTC 15K, right? I was talking about all of the bullish signs that we were seeing right here, right? And how this was the bottom, and this was the bottom, and how I'm loading up, and you know what I'm saying? I can't have that same type of mentality down here, up here. I can't have that same mentality up down here, up here. If any YouTuber that's doing that and you just got into crypto, they really just saying, fuck you, pump my bags. I don't really care about you. I just want to make sure I can at least break even or get out of this market. If anybody is giving you the same content down here, up here, I would be highly suspicious. Highly fucking suspicious. Y'all can say what y'all want to say. Y'all can say what y'all want to say. Thaddeus Buff with the 10B. Look, that's what I'm talking about, man. They're showing love, bro. The $10 spiff in the house. Thaddeus Bluff. Thaddeus, what do you want me to? What did you want me to check? Clap. I got you, man. I got you, man. I'm gonna show y'all some love, bro. I'm gonna show y'all some love, bro. Is that a Solana token? What chain we looking at? I'm gonna show y'all some love, bro. All right, let's go to clap on Dex tools. Let's use Dex tools, right? I could use GMGN, and do some really good on-chain analysis for you guys. But I'll take it easy for you, right? What's the name of the token? Let me give y'all a little shout out. Clap cat. What's the name of the token though, bro? Clap cat 91,000. I'm thinking this is the one on Sol. A little bit under $1 million market cap here. All right, let's see what we got here. Is this the one right here? Clap cat. All right, so let's see what we got. All right, we gotta go to the 3-day. Not much information on the weekly. All right, clap cat. So we are coming out a little bit of an accumulation here, accumulation pattern. Like what I'm seeing as far as accumulation. If the community is as strong as we're seeing accumulation, this is actually a bullish sign. We do got a stock RSI cross here, but no confirmation. RSI is trending to the downside, and the MACD still hasn't, showed any type of sign of reversal in bullish momentum. So at this point, what we are looking at is we're looking at an accumulation pattern coming out a huge head and shoulders, right? So any of these memes that been around for maybe 3 months, you'll see these type of patterns a lot. And then this is actually not bearish, right? This is actually good because like Mirage said, based on his thesis, he likes meme coins that's been around from 3 months to a year, that's had their 80 to 90% capitulation moment, but the community is still strong. And you can see here that this is accumulation. It's holding up the 786, which is about 309. Really, really, really good. Let's actually change this to market cap here because it is a Solana meme coin, so we don't got to worry about really any type of dilution or anything like that. But you want to see this hold the $900,000 market cap. If it does break the 786, this is going to be in the depths, and it's going to be determined. This is going to be determined if the community can actually, come out and do their thing. Another thing I like to utilize, guys, is GMGN. It's one of my favorite tools. Some people like Photon. Some people like Bull X. I'm on all of them, right? I use all of them for different things depending on what I'm looking at. So we are on the Sol chain. We could check out Clap just based off a on-chain perspective, right? Looking at the chart is one thing. Looking at what we're seeing on-chain from an on-chain perspective is totally different. So very, very high blue chip rating here for this Solana token. That's bullish. Top 10 only hold 18%. That's bullish, and it has a 4 out of 4 audit score, right? Now, what I like to do is I like to swing over here to the holders, which is about 4,000 holders, a little bit of little insiders. Well, you do have some insider wallets. Now, this is actually kind of bearish. We got a little bit too many insider wallets. I would say, like, and this is what I'm saying, guys. When you look at shit from an on-chain perspective, you gotta look at this type of shit. Now, the insiders, to be fair, they're not selling, but I would be cautious about hopping into the token that's just like mad fucking insider. So that's bearish. In my opinion, that's bearish. This is bullish here. All of the KOLs and influencers that I follow are personally out, so you don't got to worry about them dumping on you. But I would be a little bit cautious of this token because of the insider activity. I'm just being honest. Outside of that, chart looks good, but you got to be wary of all of these wallets that seem to have bought at the same time, which is kind of awkward. So guys, let me know what y'all think about that and on-chain analysis. We'll get into the rest of the comments here. We got 33 people here, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe. What's up, Crypto Martian? So thank you very much, love. No, you know, I'll keep it real. We go down there, I'm going to buy nothing but Bitcoin and dump it. That crazy to see the market value not picking up in the bear market. People love buying green candle. That's what it is, bro. That's what it is. We are at the point where when people see red or blood in the streets, they don't want to be a part of it. And to be honest, it's fair, right? It's fair, right? We know like the average book in investing says, buy the fear, sell the greed, right? But I mean, at some point when you get tired of just like continues like buying, right? And you might see a family out on vacation, or you might see something you really wanted, or you might see a business that you could have invested up. I just don't want to get up here 3, 4 years, 5 years down the line and think about, wow, I wasted all that time. Now, to be fair, I'm learning a lot in crypto, right? I've never been this experienced with like macroeconomics. Now I'm kind of adding coding to my skill set, so it's been a you know, very, very, very good experience and journey from crypto. But if I don't come out this joint winning, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. Especially like the crazy numbers some of these tokens had in my bags at the top, and I just didn't take profits. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, to be really, really honest with you guys. I'm going to start a YouTube on proper round trip technique. Ty is my motivation back to my average entry. Yeah, man. A lot of cryptocurrencies did round trip, guys. A lot of cryptocurrencies did round trip. It happens, man. It happens, bro. I'm with y'all. I get wrapped up into the hype and stuff like that too. So I'm here with you. I truly understand. You know what I mean? And it is what it is at this point. It is what it is. Same, but I'm done buying. I said that in the Discord. I said, man, it's hard for me to just keep buying crypto, buying crypto right now. It's really, really, really hard for me to keep buying crypto right now, right? But it eventually this will pay off for us, right? Eventually it's gonna pay off, but I just don't want to wake up and be like, man, I just dumped all this money into dumpster garbage and have nothing to show for it that I really want. Yeah, you know, we make some bands here and there, but I'm talking about lifetime changing gains. What they say, wife changing gains. You know what I mean? I try to smile on my face, guys. I try to keep a smile on my face for real, for real. I do feel like I'm wasting time and I can't expect to be rewarded by others' labor. Meaning, if I really want to win, I have to build. Yeah, man. That's the thing about getting into crypto early, right? It's either you have some type of knowledge of of the token's launch, or you're the creator, you're the dev, right? Amen, brother. Off work. Easy to good here for you, man. Appreciate you, Crypto Martian, man. Like I said, man, I'm gonna try to go live and really get my algorithm back going. The reason that I kind of like stopped going live and really stopped making YouTubes because crypto really had me a little bit depressed, man. It really had me depressed from like the community token and everything that's been going on with crypto, just a month ago, right? Like October, November, I could have got out of this shit with a really, really, really good bag, a really, really good bag, right? And I think we all look in hindsight and was like really, really expecting Trump to come into office, and we really to get this altcoin season. But how do y'all feel like the tariffs are affecting? Because I've been doing research into tariffs. I'm not like a macro expert, but I've been doing a little bit of research into tariffs, and I've been looking at the pros and the cons, the bullish and the bearish thesis about trade wars, right? So there is a lot of bearish shit about a trade war, but on the flip side, there's a lot of pros and cons that people don't talk about with trade wars where it can actually help the economy. So it's going to be interesting to see how the market reacts to these tariffs, where they reacted bearish, where they acted bullish, and it's going to be even more interesting to see how these countries that have these tariffs imposed against them react as well. Are they going to, retaliate with tariffs? You know what I mean? Like, and will that affect like cost, goods, development of different things? Um, it's gonna be crazy. They say tariffs was really, really bullish. Um, I think in 2018 for the steel industry. So I think Trump imposed tariffs his last time in office, but it actually ended up being bullish for the steel industry. So it is what it is. You either consumer or builder, right? You either a creator or a consumer. That is true. What's up, Abram? If this cycle's over and I'm round Troy bags, I'd definitely be a millionaire next cycle. But I'm taking more profits this time when the pump comes around. I don't blame you, Wizmine. I don't blame you. And like I said, I've showed you guys the chart, right? I've showed you guys the chart. Technically, right? We can if we can hold on the monthly, right? Let's go to the total cryptocurrency market cap. Let's map this shit out, man. Let's map this shit out. All right, so if we can hold this orange line on the ultimate RSI, technically we're still safe, right? The trend is your friend to the end. This is the total cryptocurrency market cap. The total cryptocurrency market cap is safe right now, right? If we go to the total three, which is the altcoin uh era space, we're still above this ultimate RSI. Technically, we're safe right now. Let me move my drawings out the way. Kind of added that just to give us a little bit more hopium. Safe right now. The issue here is the stock market, right? I don't know if Nvidia earnings was as bullish as people thought it was. If it was really, really that bullish like it was last time, AI coins started going absolutely nuclear. We didn't see that this time. And I don't know if that has to do with the tariffs and the currently like macro winds. The problem is it's ETH on the monthly. This is the problem because most of our tokens that we hold are utility tokens that are ERC20 tokens. Jasmine, for example. And if Ethereum does not wake up, this is the issue here. This is the issue. So we need to talk about the ETH BTC chart and see if we can get some type of bullish. We have got to the point where the ETH BTC chart has became so bullish that the big YouTubers are now so bearish that the big YouTubers are now talking about the Sol BTC. They don't even fucking want to talk about the ETH BTC chart right now because where are we? This is what it is, bro. ETH is really holding the entire altcoin market back. I hate to tell you guys, this is an ugly chart. This is really, really horrible for a project that has such a massive market cap, that has so many tokens tied to it with pairs. This is a crazy chart. So Ethereum is just the buzz killer. It's not BTC, guys. If you mad at BTC, oh BTC, every time we go up, all coins go up, BTC dumps. It's not BTC, it's ETH that's holding us back. To the point where big YouTubers are now just saying we can't cover ETH no more. We just gonna cover the Sol BTC chart. But again, like look at this, man. Look at this. Even on Sol BTC chart, not only did we lose the 25-day day EMA, but we also lost And this is just like I said, this is a confirmation. We need 1 month to figure this out, right? Basically, what I'm saying is if next month, if March, if we get a confirmation candle across the board in March, meaning another monthly candle below these averages, below the 25-day EMA on any of these charts, that's bearish. It's the Sol BTC chart on the monthly. The monthly charts, they don't, you know what I'm saying? They ain't giving us no hope, man. I mean, the Sol and the Sol BTC and the ETH BTC and the ETH charts ain't giving us no hope. But the total in the Bitcoin chart on the monthly is still above our moving averages. So we got like a conflict of interest there, and this is why people say this could go either way. This could be the beginning of the altcoin season, or this could be the beginning of the bear market. You guys be the judge. Let's go over here, sit to the poll and see what's going on. I'm gonna refresh this here. So 44% of people say they put 1K to 10K into crypto, right? So this is why they call this cycle the maximum extraction cycle, because if people put 1K to 10K a month into crypto and it's constantly going down, that's not good for the sentiment and the future of the blockchain. We got 38 people in here, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Guys, all shields require a small what's it called? A little chat. Chat. Send me a little something. All right, let's see what I got here. We got 39 people in here. Let's get into some of these comments. Mine, me too. They already have massive tariffs on the U.S. Yeah, I seen that. I was looking at apparently Canada has been taxing us. They've been like what my boy Grip Strength and Progression said in the J5 Council yesterday. He said they've been thrusting. They thrusting us right now. Trump doing reciprocal tariffs should make them lower their tariffs against us. Great point, Thaddeus. America will win. We pledge our allegiance to the red. I know, bro, did not just say the pledge. I know, bro. I know, bro, did not just say the pledge of allegiance. I'm done. I'm done with ALKG. The art of the deal of 5K stimmy checks from Elon. That should be interesting. You know what I mean? But apparently, in order to get those 5K, you better make sure you pay your taxes this year. If you don't pay your taxes this year, you have no shot at getting that 5K, according to the article that I read. I honestly think we're in a bear period. Yeah. Guys, 30% corrections happen all the time in cryptocurrency, right? So let's go to the BTC chart, right? Let's go to the BTC chart, because 30% moves happen all the time, and even in a bull market, right? So let's say 30% from the top. Where would that put us? Price range from the top here. 30%. 30. Wow. You know what? That's why I said, bro. Yo, bro. Crypto is like, bro, ain't no way. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no way it's like this obvious, the manipulation. All right, so right here, guys, you can see that 30% down, a 30% move from the top, from the local top, will put us right here at the point of control, which is around 73,000, 70 to 73,000. This how rigged the market is. It's like, oh yeah, we have 30% drops all the time, and the 30% drop is going to bring us right back down to our POC, similar to what we seen in 2020. We had a 30% drop right down to the point of control, and then we bounced all Q3 and Q4, right? And I already got the playbook like set up. It seems like they just, you know what I mean? Bro, whoever running this joint like Adam Silver, bro. They gotta fix the All-Star game because we getting tired of seeing the same shit. Like we done seen this before. We already know. Like everybody, this looks identical. This is identical to this. If I just 30% drop brings us down to the POC. We come back, retest the POC. Then we go up to our all-time high, and my model puts us at around 120,000. So the thing is, we lost the ultimate RSI here, right? We lost it here, and it came back down to retest support. So technically, this is the ultimate bull fucking hopium here, right? Ultimately, what's going to happen, right? Because we already getting a capitulation event here on the ultimate RSI. Ultimately, this is, in my opinion, the bull case right here. I'm not going to say this is what's going to happen. This is, in my opinion, the bull case is that this ultimate RSI comes down to retest support here and then bounces back up, similar to what we seen over here in the 2020 bull run, where we came down, we retested the support here, and then we bounced back up and had our last leg phase. But I would say confidently, I do truly believe that the bull market is not over, but we are headed into the last leg. The only thing that can change that is if the fact that Trump and we got such a pro crypto, whatever, like whatever you want to call it, right? We got like this pro crypto regulators bullish, institution bullish, asset managers bullish, right? If we get these ETFs and we just become this ultimate crypto hub in just the world, right? Well, then the next 4 years could be a super cycle, and then the 4 year cycle would be invalid, and now we're just in a crypto super cycle, which is, there is a case for that when you look at how the stock market appreciated, right? It just went in this only up, right? SPX is only up, right? So maybe Bitcoin comes like that, where it's just only up. The gains get mitigated over time, right? The suppressed gains, right? Diminishing gains, right? But the chart just stays only up, right? Because we're such a new asset class. And I talked about this in the council. I said, man, they just need to remove fucking meme coins, right? What they need to do is they need to go to like Photon right here. They need to just say, you know what? Anything that's on Pump.Fund or these launch platforms, this is sports gambling, right? Welcome to the NBA. You know what I'm saying? Sports gambling. Just take memes and move them out of crypto and just regulate it like they regulate sports gambling or they regulate the casinos in Las Vegas. Let's just remove memes. We keep utility tokens, Bitcoin, all that, and actually they can say Bitcoin is actually a traditional asset at this point. But let's say altcoins, utility tokens, commodities, right? Meme coins, fucking Degen casino, regulate this like the casino, and let's separate meme coins from altcoins. I think if we can find some way to kind of like separate meme coins from altcoins, where altcoins can have its own class and we don't got to worry about this extraction for meme coins. Like if you want to go be part of the casino, you go be part of the casino and let us do our altcoin thing. That's, in my head, is like, this is what we need, right? And the Memes Act. Okay, let's see what's happening here. This is interesting. House the Democrats reported to introduce the Meme Act, a bill that would ban public officials from issuing or endorsing meme coins like Trump. Here he goes. Here he goes. And see, this is the thing, guys. I think Trump was thinking like me. He was like, you know what? I really don't want to do a coin. But when you like got an ego, right? You got an ego, right? You got like an ego, and you're a person that just strives for greatness, right? Like I think like Braun, I think like Michael Jordan, right? I think Trump has the same mentality like me. We feel like we can do things, and it's just like, and you can tell by just, if you look at what he's done, his history, he's had some successful businesses, but he also has businesses he has failed because of his overconfidence, right? And it's the same thing, right? He's probably was like, I don't really want to do a meme coin because this could might create me a target, right? And I don't really want to do a meme coin, right? But his confidence, his ego, his overconfidence was like, but if I did do a meme coin, I probably could be the one celebrity that could pull this off and my meme coin actually explode. Unfortunately, it imploded, right? And it's the same mindset that I went into with the community token. It's like, I don't really want to do that. I don't want to make myself a target, right? But I'm Millie, I can do this. I can be successful with this, right? And hey, it didn't turn out the way that I wanted to turn out. And at the end of the day, it's kind of like, you know what I mean? I look in hindsight and I think about that. I'm like, man, I did that shit for the community. It was a lot of people that made money. Like Trump made a lot of people millionaires. He made a lot of people money. I don't say I made anybody millionaires, but it was a lot of early investors, snipers, whatever, that made money. You know what I'm saying? And off my name, off my face, and off my brand, I burnt like millions of dollars that shit. I didn't make shit yet because the chart didn't pump like everybody want. I take the flack on the back end for the token not being successful, and it even kind of like stunted my channel's growth. Right? I look back at it like my channel was growing so fast before that token, and that kind of like just what I mean? Like I said, bro, like leave that shit alone. Like I'm just being completely honest with you guys. Like, what I'm saying? I always reflect back in hindsight, man. You know what I'm saying? And like that's why I don't like to do live streams because I get to thinking about stuff and I need to be as transparent and honest as possible. And I think that's what went through Trump's head, right? He's like, I can do this, right? His ego, his overconfidence got to them, and now he created a easy target for the Democrats to come at his reputation and say that, hey, this is a conflict of interest. The same thing that happened to Javier Milei, right? The president of Argentina. These are people that have high confidence. You can tell by how they carry themselves, by the business, moves that they make, right? Sometimes your confidence can be your biggest enemy, right? So that's why it's always good to humble yourself. I've personally been humbled, and I know just him looking at his token and having to wake up and look at that shit every day, I know it probably humbled him. And he probably like, God damn, I knew I should have stayed away from this shit. I know that's what he thinking. He's like, I should have just stayed away from this shit. Cause I be having the same thoughts, bro. I be having the same damn thoughts, bro. And that's what crypto do to you, bro. You know what I'm saying? They take your fucking soul, bro. It take your soul, right? They make you feel like you on top of the world, and it'll take every fucking thing from you, bro. I'm just being honest, dog. Oh shit, man. If you put in 1K to 10K a month in trash is not the same as putting in plays and conviction. That's what makes it sense to buy BT or blue chips instead of trash. Yeah, I agree 110%. If you put in 1K to 10K a month in stuff that you know is going to be here multiple cycles, yes, that makes perfect sense. It's hard to me to be bearish when the Bitcoin arms race is about to start, US, and it gives lining up for the strategic reserve governments around the world. Also, I agree 110%. These are the things that can take us into a super cycle. These are the things that can take us into a super cycle for sure. Exactly, bro. Hear me out. I'm not thrilled with BTC because I don't even see utility in it. I don't even bat an eye at Bitcoin, but I'll ape into ETH, Sol, ICP, and Pulse. Now I see utility with Bitcoin. It's a savings account. Like if you got a job or a career and you got and you buy Bitcoin in the bear market, or you just DCA into Bitcoin over time, it will outperform your 2% that you're getting from your savings account. So that is utility. It's a savings account on steroids. Why would I put my money in a savings account where I could just put it in Bitcoin and make way more gains? So that's the utility to me. Maybe it is having a regulation. At this point, we're all begging for it. Yeah, I know a lot of people want regulated. You did a good job and you spent a tremendous amount of money. It was the leeches that ruined the experience, but you have lived and you learned no one is perfect. I appreciate that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like it kind of like tarnished my character, bro. And people who really know me know how I'm giving it up, bro. People who've been around and remember that shit from the start to where it is now. No, I gave it up from giveaways to airdrops to fucking having $1 million in my wallet and burning it all, bro. Like I literally, like, that was just one token where life-changing games, bro. And this motherfucker's out here really rugging people, bro. And they just doing that shit and like, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Like, and there's like the real people that's real that say, hey, I'm trying to do something for the community where y'all can have something. You know what I mean? It's just like, fucking crime pays in this industry, and this is why it just don't sit well with my spirit, and this is why I take breaks, because I said I'm a man before anything. I got integrity, I got character, and I can't rock with certain shit. You know what I'm saying? I can't rock with how market makers move. I can't rock with how these centralized exchanges move. I can't rock with a lot of that shit that happened on the inside. I can't rock with that shit. So even though, and I stay away from it because of that, because I don't want to be a part of that shit, bro. You know what I mean? So I just can't rock with certain shit that happens in crypto from when you on the dev side. I can't rock with certain shit, bro. I just can't. Don't dwell on it, man. Let it go. They voted on what they wanted in J5 and they got what they wanted, period. You put out polls in J5 and all the receipts are in the dang chat. That's facts. That's facts. Yeah, but I know Trump going through it mentally because he created, he been, that shit put you in a target, bro. A lot of those other YouTubers, I ain't even gonna get into it. I ain't even gonna get into it. I was about to. I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm not gonna make this attack another YouTuber type of. Like, I don't even get down like that, so I'm gonna just leave that shit alone. But guys, we're in here 1 hour and 10 minutes. I'm about to go ahead and hit the gym, guys. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully everybody did appreciate this live stream. If y'all do appreciate these live streams, I'll try to go more. I'll try to do more live streams. And you know what I'm saying? I like the live stream feel where I get a chance to really interact with people and have a real conversation and stuff like that. So I'll just try to do mine. Either one, we need regulation and a bad thing. Yeah, I don't like it, man. I told you, man. I said remove meme coins out of crypto, bro. Like, yeah, everybody. I love meme coins, bro. But and I know that as long as things go viral and we got virality and things are trending, there's always going to be a meme to tokenize something, right? There's always going to be a meme to tokenize. But like if you any coin, it should be like some type of shit that be like if you don't have utility, you're a meme coin and you're part of the casino. And we're gonna regulate this like a casino, right? And they need to mitigate the insider trading and the sniping and stuff like that. And if they can clean that, if Pump Fund can clean that shit up, then it could be a great platform for people to go in and have that that chance of winning 100x. But what really separates it from watching your fucking grandpa and your uncle every day, every 2 weeks get they check and go spend 10% of it in the gas station to buy lotto tickets and never fucking win. It's no different than that. It's no different than your uncle or your mammy or your auntie getting her 2 week pay, and every 2 weeks, soon as she get paid, she goes straight to the fucking gas station and buy the Powerball lotto ticket. And guess what? Not even, and I know people, I'm from the hood, bro. I know people that to this day do that shit every day and have never won anything. Every day. And never won anything. So what's the difference between that and meme coins? So I'm not saying meme coins need to be done or need to be halted. I just think they need to find a way to separate it from utility tokens and put that shit where the lotto be at, bro. Put that shit where the lotto and with Vegas and all that shit. Just a digital casino. Hey, Pump Fund is now being regulated as a digital casino. Stop trying to lump everything to fucking together, bro. It's like these old people don't understand simple shit. They make shit way more harder because they want us to struggle, bro. They want us to struggle and so they can lead, right? I was reading some shit that yesterday when they were saying that allegedly that Trump allegedly has plans to pull us back into the Gilded Age, whatever the fuck the Gilded Age is, the Gilded Age, right? Apparently, from what I was reading, the Gilded Age allows the elites to have most part of the money of the world. And when you look at the people that he aligned himself from, just go look at the Trump ball and the inauguration. Look at the people that's standing in his corner. He got all fucking billionaires in his corner. All billionaires. All billionaires. So I'm no slight to them, right? But like I think it's what I mean, we need to give everybody a fair chance. I don't know, that's just me. Greedy the Trump administration has been absolutely I'm cooking right now. Okay, I told you surprise the real guys. Check out Ryoshi. Oh man, Ryoshi. Don't bring up Ryoshi to AOKG, bro. Kiddos. We do not bring up Ryoshi to AOKG. You about to have him blow a blood vessel in this joint. He's been in the office a month. Jeez. No. I'm not saying he's bad, bro. I'm not saying second time. I'm not saying he's bad. I want what crypto people want. I just read. I'm a researcher. I'm not, hopefully I can turn into a journalist, right? But I'm a researcher. And I was just reading the comparison of what he's doing now in the Gilden Age. The Gilden Age? I was just reading. I'm not saying that it's bad or anything. The only criticism I have is maturation of Elon Musk. I just want Elon, like I rock with Elon. Like I rock with his business mind, his genius. I just feel like at his age, I shouldn't be mature than you. He should be a little bit more mature in a position of power, in a position of leadership. Like people need maturity. That's my only criticism. I'm not against, what Trump is doing. I'm not, what I'm saying? I'm not bashing him 1 month in, 100 days in. That's not fair, right? So I want to make that clear. Greedy fat people. Talk to me, Supreme. Millie, let it go. You're a person. You don't have to prove these rules. I got your baby always really when you want to talk. I'm here. You see me in the Discord daily. I truly appreciate you, Ayokiji. They need to mandate Memecoins to register location and employ. Oh yeah, that's wild, bro. That's wild, Kobe. This is call before the store. Just buy what you can. On the ride, still holding everything, Millie, including my J5. Appreciate you, huge, man. That put a big smile on my face. Just you being in this chat, man. I appreciate you, bro. And this is not a bearish stream, guys. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. I'm not bearish. I just in the first 30 minutes of the show, I gave y'all the best bull hopium you're gonna get on YouTube today. Because nobody bringing up that chart that I just showed you. If they is, they copying me. Because I ain't nobody else talking about that. Nobody else talking about that. If they do, then they watching Millie live stream and they using the shit that I'm talking about. So I gave everybody as much bullish hopium as possible. Meme holders will be the new elite. I'm hoping we get. It's good to see the meme holder there. Shout out my boy Billy. Appreciate you, man. Supreme. Appreciate you. I've never been big on memes, only a certain few. And appreciate the authenticity as possible. Always, man. I'm trying to get this YouTube channel in the back of the algorithm, bro. But I've been depressed with crypto lately. I have, bro. And man, I was always taught. My mama taught me what I'm saying? My mother is a stroke patient. But one thing she told me, if you ain't got nothing good to say, don't say it at all. And when I'm feeling like that, and I ain't got nothing good to say, I just don't want to say nothing. Elon Musk, hot shot guru, stole my name, big balls. Yeah, he's definitely a hot shot guru. And I'm not against like the sauce, the swag, the aura. Like I'm with that, right? But like, you don't want to just like be shitting on people. Because then when you shit on people, that's how you go from being the hero to being the villain really, really quick. Like people will be all for you. And then once you start like making them feel inhuman and shitting on people, that's when people like, I can't rock with you. He did fuck us up. Trump, Melania, they should have never been released. Well, now we got the Memes Act. Because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people right now that's all on his ass about that Trump token. They need Memecoin developer fingerprint to full. Pause. If some of the people on this stream do the shit that we have been through the last 4 years, absolutely crazy that we are still here. Yeah, bro. Bro, I look at that crash token, bro, and I could have just walked off with 200K, bro. 200K. Just in one token. Crypto gods of hopium. Why me, bro? Why can a random person go on Pump.fun and turn $100 into 1 million? Like, why me, crypto gods? I only want to do shit the right way, bro. December 2024. We are here, man. We are here, man. We are here, bro. We are here. Oh man, what's going on, man? What's good? All right, so on the positive stuff, we got altcoins bouncing. So yeah, a lot of people say this is the start of altcoin season. This could be the beginning stages of altcoin season or the beginning stages of the bear market. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Right? Are we in the beginning stages? I'm gonna put a poll out. I'm gonna put a poll out. It's time to put a poll out. It's time to put a poll out, dog. It's time to put a poll and put a poll out. It's time to put a poll out. Actoring, actoring. All right, let's get a poll going. Let's go in poll going. And let's engage with the audience. Start a poll. Y'all want me to do? Y'all want me to do? I did another. I did a walking video yesterday. I'm gonna do a walking video. Y'all want me to do a walking video? Um, let's see. Yeah, that's how y'all know I'm a real. Like, you know, all these. I ain't gonna say that. I ain't gonna say that. I ain't like I got. See, this is why I don't do streams. That's a question. Okay. Is this? I love doing these polls. Let's see how y'all feel. Y'all want me to do more of the forest videos? I'm gonna do more of them. I've been thinking about that. I've been brainstorming. I put the poll out. I need everybody to vote on the poll. But I've been brainstorming different ways to like do different content. And like the other day I did a super cold ass video, and you know, it was like a video based on what's the word I'm looking for when they do those videos, I did a cinematic video, right? Because like I got all like the shit to do a cinematic video, and I did a cinematic video, but when I watched the video I was like, I'm too bearish. I'm too bearish. I'm too bearish, bro. I can't put this video out. So sometimes I like the other day I had a video up and I kind of like unlisted it for a while because I'm like, I'm too bearish and I don't want my community to get the wrong idea for them to think that I'm just like a bear. I'm not a bear, right? I try to just point out things that I'm seeing and people take it the wrong way. I'm gonna do more of those second time. Real talk, parabolic. We need to go parabolic. Don't bottle it up, let it out. It's a good expression. I get mad all the time. I don't care. I've grown so much by putting people into place and showing them they can't kill my energy. That's facts. That's facts, bro. That's facts, bro. It's just facts, bro. It's like, bro, I got a whole family, It's responsibilities and shit, bro. Why would I put myself at risk like that? And I got a whole family that's dependent on me, bro. So it just was a buzz killer. I feel like before all of that happened, AOKG, like my channel was growing fast, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, did something for the community. Yeah, they neither here nor there. Memes definitely took the liquidity. Look at the market. Ain't supposed to be in a bear until later this year. How do we have no liquidity at this point? Well, technically, we are following the cycle of 2020. Some people would say 2017, right? But it really, really looks like 2020, right? If we just go here and look at our, let's see here. What's this? The total 3 here. Like we were somewhere right there. And then we had one leg. I think Bitcoin is a better chart to use because it's more information. So actually, let me go to the Bitcoin chart, and we'll share this tab. But if you look here, I mean, this shit looks like I thought I was in like another. I thought I was in like an alternate universe of 2021. The way that the chart looked the same. Look at this. Like it looked exactly like this, right? And we're at the exact same point here as we are right here. It looks like they salute to my boy Vision. I'm a big fan of Vision's channel. Vision, I've been trying to get you on the channel for a while, bro. I know you don't do collaborations, bro, but it would be a wonder, bro, if you would please come on my channel and just do a collaborations. I'm a big fan of your YouTube channel, bro. But like my boy Vision said, they running back the 2020 playbook. They running back the 2020 playbook, dog. They running back the 2020 playbook. Yeah, watch this, Bobby. No comment. I'm a millionaire stock guy friend who didn't even know what XRP was or BlackRock's buying BTC. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Overcome. Like you just go talk to random people. Go walk in. Next time you go to your local doctor visit, right? You know, just a regular doctor visit, check up on a few things, and just ask the nurse, ask the doctor, ask them about crypto. Like, ask people like that. Walk into the fucking grocery store and just be like, "Hey, man, wow, your card is full. Do you buy crypto? You know what I mean? How much do you spend a month on crypto?" Just go ask some random people when you in a bar, or find a DJ in bar or some shit. Just ask people, right? Check the sentiment. I need to start doing those videos where I was like walking around and talking to people, but I just haven't like. So what it is, guys, is I don't want to do it here. I want to go travel. I really, really just want to go travel. I really, really want to go travel. You know what I'm saying? That's really, really upset. Like, and it's funny, like other YouTube be like, oh, this, that, um, and try to like spawn a community. Like today is my birthday. I'm just saying it on live stream. Like today is my birthday, right? Many people have been at the top of the screen. Oh, it's your birthday, woo, 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 right? Trying to get super chats. But today is my birthday. And I was thinking about this. I was like, man, I really, really want to travel. Like, that's where my heart is. I want to travel. I want to travel. And I want to travel and do that, right? I don't want to just keep doing it in the same area. I want to travel and do that. And when I was younger, I used to travel a lot, right? I was part of a door-to-door company where we traveled to almost every state in America, right? Going door-to-door and shit. You know what I'm saying? And for the last like 5, 6 years, I haven't done any traveling. So you got to imagine it's kind of like a person that was in the military that traveled all their life to not travel. Like from 18 to now, like 75% of my life I traveled. So just not traveling has been stressful for me because I'm so used to like seeing new things, you know, being in different states, going to different basketball games, shit like that. And I haven't had an opportunity to do that in a while. And I miss traveling. And I haven't been traveling because I've been so locked into this crypto shit, bro. Been really, 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 really locked in. Really, really, really locked in. I just lifted the world up. Crypto less likely to go anywhere than ever before, whether the bull market ends or begins. We got some bears in here. We got some bears in here, man. What's up, Overcome? I don't mind seeing a few bears in here. We got a lot of bullish people in here, and we also got a lot of bears in here. And even today, I'm still going to the gym. No days off, baby. Even today, I'm still going to get it in. I'm still going to fucking get it in. Hey, yo, KG, I've been watching. I've been doing my Jin Woo exercises, bro. Anime, right? I've been doing my Saitama exercises, right, bro? We doing, you know, man, we doing 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, and we running for 5 kilometers, which is about like 3 miles, right? I might do 10 kilometers, which is 6. I tried to do 10, bro. I couldn't do it because once I hit them squats, it was over with. But I did do 3 miles, which is 5 kilometers, kilometers. I said kilometers, kilometers, right? So we in there. Buy the dips, Eric Trump. All hopefully we don't look in hindsight and said these were the top signals. Appreciate that heart, man. Appreciate that. You know, I'm going to get it in, bro. It's just a regular day to me, bro. Another day in the office. I'm a permabill DCing every dip fight. Oh, okay, so you a bull, but it's just you know. But I respect that. I respect that you said, you know what I mean. You know, you have an understanding of crypto from both ends, man, and that's how I am. I'm bullish. I'm a moon boy. But if I see bearish things, or if I see bearish signs, or I see hints of any type of bearish things in the ecosystem, I'll try to share that with y'all. Buying all the way down, all the way up and down. Uh. Nice encouraging us, but it don't work. Definitely have price targets buying all the way up. And stop lying, Laurel. You buy the bottoms, bro. You been hit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You hit some really good bottoms, bro. All right, guys, I got to get up out of here. It was nice chilling with y'all, man. I appreciate everybody that showed up to the stream, regardless of how this market ends up. Technically, we're still bullish on the monthly. According to my Lux Algo RSI, Ultimate RSI, technically we're still bullish on the monthly until we have a bearish cross, which means the white line crosses over the orange line. Until then, with the fear and greed index sitting at a 10 to 20, my assessment would be this is a optimal time to buy the dip. First, if you're new into crypto. Second, if you've been on the sidelines the whole time and you want an opportunity to at least make some money in this last phase. Third, if you bought at the top and you need to DCA to bring down your averages. And four, if you just been in crypto for 4 years and you just like fucking DCA, maybe this I don't know. I can't say nothing for the people like myself. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be the judge. You know, but man, no way, fam. Nah, bro. Bro, yeah, I'm doing a challenge, right? So I watched a YouTube short and a guy he was doing this Saitama One Punch Man challenge. I'm like, oh, that gives me a goal to reach. So yesterday I did it for the first time. And because I've been going to the gym so much, like 3 to 6 months, I hit that shit like nothing, right? And the dude was talking about how he couldn't walk, but I run and walk all every day, literally every day. So for me, it was nothing, right? I left it and I was like, wow, this is a really good exercise. Of course, you want to, each and every day, you want to do different exercises and stuff like that, not just let your body rest, right? But I'm thinking about every Wednesday just doing that because it was very, very refreshing to like just walk and run and hit that type of cardio and really let my muscles rest where they can grow the right way opposed to just constantly lifting and doing shit like that each and every day without proper rest. Jasmine is my new solid news coming up. Sign me up for Junction. Yeah, man. Jasmine. Jasmine is in a nice, good spot. I don't know what happens this time. I mean, he destroyed the moon in the moment God stepped in his word. Bro, I don't watch Saitama. That's actually one of the animes that I cannot get into. I think it's because he's too OP. Like somebody got to have a chance. I don't like Saitama. I don't like the anime, but I like the workout. All right, let me check Jasmine before I go for you guys here. Stop sharing this tab. Let's just go to Jasmine. Jasmine. All right, let's go to Jasmine, and we on the monthly. Shit, boy. At this point, at this point, I told you guys, I am going to DCA into Jasmine, and I got in at 203, so it's not like I'm bringing down my averages, right? It's like, I took my initials out like around like 4 cent, right? I took my initials out at 4 cent after we topped out here because I didn't get out at the ultimate top, but I did take out my initials at like 4 cent, and I've been thinking about putting that back in once we get a ultimate RSI cross here. So actually, let me share the screen for you guys. Share screen. Just me here. And then the screen. So yeah, I've been thinking about putting those initials back in once we get a ultimate RSI cross, right? So I'm personally waiting on confirmation because right now we're in the depths of the depths. We are at full support. Last 2 times we hit the support, we had a huge bounce. So it wouldn't surprise me if Jasmine bounces from here. But I'm waiting for the ultimate RSI cross here on the weekly. I believe we are closing in on a stock RSI cross. But the ultimate RSI cross is a little bit more efficient. So technically, right, once I get this first cross on the stock RSI, I'll do my first DCA. My second DCA would be confirmation above 20. My third DCA would be the ultimate RSI because I think the ultimate RSI will be the last to give me a cross. So you see how I DCA into increments? Bullish cross on the stock RSI. Weekly time frames, guys. Weekly time frames. I'm not trading this. This is a long-term hold. Stock RSI cross. When it crosses, that's my first DCA. Above 20, second DCA. That's confirmation. Maybe above the 25-day EMA, I do a DCA there, more confirmation. And then last but not least, I'm waiting on the ultimate RSI because this is my favorite indicator right now to give me a stock RSI cross on the weekly like we seen here. We had a nice good bounce from here. We got a cross and we had a nice good bounce from here. We got a cross here, and we had a nice good bounce here. All right, so you gotta think about that. It's very, very efficient. And just taking that look at Jasmine from the money noodle perspective. Let's just add this here. Oh, I did that. You could see that we did flip bearish on the money noodle for the weekly. So can't get up here and say Jasmine is bullish because it's obviously not bullish. But the hopium here is that Jasmine is able to hold this support, which is this green line that I make at about a penny and a 7. So 1.7. If Jasmine can hold 1.7, which it looked like it did bounce off, it bounced right back above that support. If it can hold 1.7, next week print a confirmation reversal candle, and we want that confirmation candle to be an engulfing candle. So what I'm looking for is a the next week candle to be a huge green candle that's bigger than this red candle, to give me confirmation of a potential reversal. But we really won't get any confirmation until we can get back above this money noodle here, which is now printing a bearish print on our indicator. So lot of bearish shit going on, man. I'm getting tired of saying bearish because it's just so much bearishness. Great story. Journey on, it's like running. I can run a mile now and not break a sweat. Yeah, man. I remember when you told me you had started running. I was so proud, bro. I'm like, and now the fact that you could just hit your mile, that's what's up, bro. Ben is OP and love it. Be one of the punch and everything, only strong as he needs. Yeah, that's how Jin Woo is on solo leveling, bro. But I like solo leveling way better. Only Nemesis is as strong as well, but they went too far trying to give him God's strength. I felt like he was too much. Check out the fantastic manga comic books in fan. I gotta check it out, bro. Right now I'm locked in on solo leveling. I'm happy V-Day and appreciate you. Do much love and respect. Appreciate you, wise minds. I gotta get over here, guys, and enjoy my day. I'm out here doing crypto on my fucking B-Day, dog. I feel like that's just so depressing, bro. I feel like I have no life. I'm out here doing crypto on my B-Day, dog. This is, look, if you don't be like me, man. Don't be full-time Web3. Don't let this shit consume your life, y'all. Don't be like me. I'm out of here. I'm gonna enjoy my day. Some people say market's overdue, opposite, reverse psychology, no pain, no gain. No, it's 50-50, L'Oreal. Some people say the market is over, and some people saying this is the beginning of the altcoin season. It's actually 50-50 right now. It's not like any one way, right? In fact, I would argue more people are saying buy the dip. More people are saying buy the dip, according to my votes here. So let's actually rephrase this page and go over some of the polls before I go. All right, so 35% of people now are saying 500, 100 to 500. That seems more realistic. But it's still, what's surprising to me is that 14% of people are saying they don't allocate nothing to crypto monthly. That's actually really, really high. So I would look at that being a good thing, which means we still have massive potential if there's still a large amount of people that don't allocate anything to crypto on a month. A lot of people don't believe Jasmine will hit $1 anymore. This is actually, like you were saying, Laurel, counter bullish, right? The fact that many people think it won't happen, it's a good chance that it could happen. Do you still believe in meme coins? 253 votes. 56% people said yes. We need this to come down a little bit. Right, too many people still believe in meme coins, which tells me this is a great time to buy utility tokens, because the more people that believe in meme coins, the more likely they will get burnt and rotate that liquidity into utility tokens. And then last but not least, 2 days ago, 349 votes here. Are you buying the crypto dip? And 60% people say yes. And this is why I believe that we have more downside, because if everybody's buying the dip, then 60% of people are buying the dip, which means they're already in there. Where's the extra money coming from? I would prefer more people to think that we're in a bear market, more people to say I'm done buying the dip, because now we got more potential to the upside. And last but not least here, let's check the poll here. 23 votes on the live stream, and 91% of you guys 91% of you guys believe that this is the beginning of altcoin season. That right there is technically bearish. You see what I'm saying? So it's more people that believe that this is the beginning of the altcoin season. It's more people buying the dip. It's more people that's in this denial phase, opposed to more people believing this is actually the beginning of the end. So just from a psychological standpoint, that's how I personally see it. You could be the judge yourself, guys. Wait till Uber and Lyft drivers are trading crypto. They already are. They already are. There's multiple videos of Ubers and Lyft drivers trading pump fund meme coins. Appreciate you, I am 6. It's late. I'm calling in the Matrix. There's no turning back. I said last year I'm addicted to crypto. I wasn't joking. It can be an addiction. If you see 93K, hit the sell button. I'm not messing with you today, Laurel. All right, maybe they do. Thanks for the content. No problem. Overcome. I'm getting up out of here, guys. I'll see y'all leaving. Y'all want me to go enjoy my day. Appreciate everybody that did show up to the chat. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. It's your Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.